Brad, as we were talking there, I just got a buzz on my phone. Again, another earthquake now showing up in Japan. And this one's a 6.9 just off the coast of Japan here. This is at a very significant depth at about 38 miles. But for a reference point, it appears to be on the northern side of the Japanese archipelago here. I don't know, the closest city might be, I'm not super familiar with any of these, but it's north of Tokyo for sure, and pretty close to the shoreline. So that could have another, it's about 20 miles offshore. That could have some significant impacts as well, and we'll look to the Tsunami Center for guidance on that one. But this also just happened.
Yeah, very active area out there. And, we should say, too, that not all quakes near water cause tsunamis. They have to be, a certain type of quake. Usually you have a megathrust quake, which is the crust moving up or down. The side-to-side movement tends to be less of an issue. But the two things we look for tsunamis are, do we have up and down movement? Is it in a shallow area with water above? And that's typically when we see a tsunami. So we'll have to keep an eye on that, Tim. But, yeah, two back-to-back quakes.
Nothing yet from the Tsunami Center.
Yeah, so James just said nothing from the Tsunami Center. So, two earthquakes happening during our show here, one in Venezuela, one in the northern part of Japan, pretty far north there. We'll see. I haven't seen anything come out from the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center, which is based in Honolulu. They tend to cover all the Pacific, but they'll issue advisories for other parts of the world, especially after the Indian Ocean tsunami. They started issuing advisories for other locations, which is something they do across the globe. They have great science out there, Tim. So
this is a live look at the buoy network.
Yeah, the buoy network. They've got the when you see the buoys flashing, that means they're in like rapid data collection mode to see if they measure any tsunamis. You don't see the Pacific lighting up, but see the Caribbean ones lighting up a little bit there to take into account for that Venezuelan quake, which was 7.1 and now a 6.9 in northern Japan.
Yeah, and you talk about places that get a lot of bad earthquakes. Japan is toward the top of the list, right? And they have some of the best building codes and all these things to kind of account for these things. So we'll see what the impact is up there, but just kind of have to wait and see for now.